What's up, everybody? And the question I have for you today is, did you make money this week? Okay. Now, if you didn't make money, guys, I can tell you why. You are not using my indicator. Look at how easy the last 2 days of SPY and SPX were, guys. Okay. Super simple. If you're using this indicator, guys, the cloud flipped here. We went green. Everybody was scared. Oh, it's going down. It's going down. Don't matter. Use the indicator, okay? Easy entrance for a call. Easy entrance for a put. Here we go today. Again, we repeated this, okay? Call and a put, okay? Now, how did I know it was going to go up, okay? Besides the cloud curling, okay, look at that curl. It's sharp. I know it's going back up, okay, but let's just say that we didn't know. Let me show you something. Okay, I'm going to draw it out, guys, right here, okay. We had a double bottom that developed, okay, yesterday. And what was the implied move? Oh, that's simple. We're just going to take this candle and we're going to come down right at the bottom of those candles, okay? And then guess what happens the next day, okay? See that? How far up did this go? Look at that. We're here, and now we have a double top. Check it out. Bam, bam, okay? Look at where we're going, guys. Guys, we can get back down here by Monday. The market is still open. And they're trying hard as heck to keep this up, okay? But you can't beat this, okay? This is going to happen, okay? The market is correcting itself, okay? All you have to do, guys, is get this indicator. Look at that. It's all you need. Now, if you're an advanced trader, guys, and you wanted to enter the stock, look at this. Okay, I have this in my courses. That's a pullback, okay? What's a pullback? I'm glad you asked. Let me show you. Okay, when a stock is going up or going down, you can see that green candle. It tries to pull back up, and this one was really small, and they had a lot of small ones. Finally got down here, and it tried to make it out of there. It didn't. Went across, and booyah, just fell, guys. Okay. That's for advanced traders. If you want to learn that, I have the courses on sale, guys. You can't beat it. That's an easy entry. I can show you my receipt, okay, because I got in up here and then I started to sell here because we went across. And when I saw us do this, I said, wait a minute, we're about to lose support again. And of course, I sold down here. So it was just a great day. And I didn't get back in, guys, till this happened here. Okay. And then another support happened. Check it out right in there. I just wanted to make sure that we weren't going to fall. So I drew my line. We didn't. Had a couple candles. That 1, 2, then we turned green. And as soon as we got past that top part, and I'll show you how you can mark it off real easy. See those candles, the original candle, this green one. Once you get past there, that is a clean entry, and that's where I got in again. And I saw us wicking and going across. So I said, you know what? I'm out. Okay. Then the cloud turned red. So guess what? I got in on a put. And of course, we went down. And again, here we go. Okay. This is what you do, guys. Okay. That's why you take courses. You draw that up. And you just let it play itself out because your cloud is still red. So you're thinking this is going to stay bearish. And look at that. Of course, it went down. So that was another entry for me because I got out here, guys. Okay. I see a green candle on the 15-minute. I get out. Okay. Look at all that profit right here. Okay. Not a bad day. And then another quick scalp there, guys. Okay. Then you get in here on the cloud. And of course, like I always tell you guys, you cross that blue line, you stay in longer. And sure enough, I did. And I alerted a lot of people in the bull ring today. And we made some profits, guys, on the way up. Okay. My alert was right here, right at around noon. Okay. We started crossing up and we went all the way up. I sold here, of course, and then I just waited for the next cloud, which I did get in. I sold here, and now the market's not closed, but now check this out. Okay, we might have an opportunity for a scalp before the market closes, guys. Okay, so there's two things that can happen here. They can chop it around and say, hey, we're not going to do anything today. Okay, and if I was going to enter the stock, I'm going to mark my lines off here, my support and resistance, and I'm just going to let one of them play out, and I'm going to wait. Either I get you down here or I get you up there, because we have this long candle, and of course that's a gap. You guys take my courses, you're gonna learn all this stuff, guys. This is super easy. And if you're playing on the 15-minute, you have time to do all this. I just did this, and it's been maybe 3 minutes where I explained all this to you. Remember, when these candles are building, it takes 15 minutes for this candle to build. So you have time to do this. If you're a day trader, if you're a swing trader, you can do this as well. I recommend you use this if you're a full-time worker and you can't stay in front of this computer, but at least you'll get alerts and tells you, hey, it's time to buy a put. And then all you do is when you buy your put, you set a take profit, okay? And I'll teach you how to do a take profit. So that means you place another order and you tell the computer or your phone, hey, sell it here. Or hey, sell it here. This is the best thing, getting a text saying that you sold it and you made $500, guys. It is awesome. Technology is just the best right now. Okay, so this is what we have going on with SPX. So the last 2 days, this is exactly what I did. Okay, and here is the higher time frame. So I'm going to start on the 2-hour, guys, because you need to know this before you trade next week. You need to be able to recognize this stuff. Okay, it's not hard. You can see all these candles, they all landed in the same area. And so this area right here, guys, became what do we call that? That became support. Check it out. So now we have our yellow line. That's the proper support color. Okay, so we had support here, and then what happened? Okay, we have support, then resistance, okay, in this entire area. So if you really want to get technical, guys, okay, this entire area right in here was support because the stock bounced up and down and then popped up. Now it's becoming resistance, which is ugly for a stock. What happens to a stock when support becomes resistance? That's right. See you later. So this is what we look like now. Okay, all this support now became resistance, and you see we've dropped out, came back up, and you have these two huge candles, guys. I'm going to flip over to the 4-hour so you can see how ugly this looks. Okay, the higher time frames are always the best ones to look at when you want to see what the heck is happening with the stock. Today they pumped it up. They try to get up there, and then all of a sudden they dump down, guys. Okay, and they're fighting. They're trying to keep this up, but people are selling off. Lots of companies are selling off because, hey, it's been a great bull run for about 7 months, and now they're going to take profits. And guess what? When we get down here, okay, they're going to start buying again, and I think you should consider that too, but you need to make sure you understand how to trade, guys. All right, in my previous video, guys, we also went through the actual weekly on SPX and SPY, and I told you we got a couple more weeks of actual downtrend, okay? And you see I've marked off the support and resistance, even though this candle here, okay, is showing a nice wick here at the bottom, and that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to keep this up so that they end the week and it looks bullish, guys. I'm telling you right now, look at that right there. Okay, anything under 54.70 is going to be super bearish. The whole candle is just, the price has been driven down for the week, guys. Okay, so this is looking really fishy. Be careful, okay? Make sure you guys are not trying to take the big trade and do a home run, okay? Make sure you guys are sticking to your 15-minute charts. Okay, your 15-minute charts will give you great. Whoops, I was gonna get sorry guys. It's gonna give you great clouds. Okay, you also have my blue line and you got the pink line. We get above the pink line, that's the 200 EMA. Then we get super bullish. Okay, but we are creating a lot of gaps. If you can see right in there, see that gap. SPX is creating gaps as it did today. Okay, this one is not as big, but we do have gaps, and that is not good for the stock. All right, I want to cover some Bitcoin for you guys before we start the weekend. I'll have more updates this weekend, guys. Okay, Bitcoin is making a nice bull run here, guys. They are starting to buy it up. Why? The rumor is, and you know how it works in trading, you buy the rumor and sell the news. The rumor is that former President Donald Trump will be showing up in Nashville for that Bitcoin retreat or convention, and he's gonna announce something huge because he wants Bitcoin to be built in the United States. Okay, so his vice president that he announced is also a Bitcoin holder. Guys, look at this indicator. Okay, I bought 5 Bitcoins down here, guys. Okay, and look at this. All right, I'm gonna sell them all up here or when they get to the moon. This indicator helps you guys with Bitcoin as well, so make sure you're doing that. If you can't afford to buy Bitcoin, I understand. I'm going to give you another play you can do, and that is Coin. Coin follows Bitcoin to the T. Look at that, to the T. Okay, now let me help you out with this line. I'm going to change the color. We'll make it a nice bright red, and you can see exactly where. See if I can make that line thicker. There we go. You can see exactly where Coin is at. And I'm going to tell you guys something, okay? The implied volatility on Coin is pretty high for the next 3 weeks on options, but I'm going to tell you, I played it today and they behaved, okay? Nice little bullish run. See, the pattern is exactly the same on both. So if you can't afford Bitcoin, play some options with Coin, guys. It's an easy trade. Just keep an eye on the cloud on Bitcoin because Coin, it's not supposed to, but it's doing it. It follows Bitcoin and people are buying and selling based off of that. Okay, guys, I hope this helped. Guys, take advantage of the courses. Go visit the website. Okay, I'm gonna leave you guys links below. There is a free course if you want to start there, guys. I also have some courses on YouTube. You guys can check them out in my video list. But remember that if you are losing money, guys, it's because you don't have guidance. You don't have anything telling you when to get in, when to get out. You need help, hit me up. Don't just stay there and continue to lose money. That happened to me when I started. Don't do it. Don't stay quiet, guys. Come on. $25 is nothing. Okay. Wait till you lose more than $1,000. Okay. So any question, guys, leave it in the comments. If there's any tickers you want me to cover this weekend, leave that also below in the comments. Until the next video. Bye-bye.